What's up, folks? This is going to be a review of the MMU Merciless Markets University course from Tariq, aka RT, and Marcelo, aka Mighty Stocks. Now, I did purchase this course with my own money, not only to do the review, but also to get access to their live archives. After the fact, they did find out that I was doing the review, and they provided me with a referral link, as well as a 25% off coupon code that I will put in the description below. I want to start off by saying that I have followed both RT and Marcelo for about 3 years now, and they are genuine people. They are genuine people who really want to see others succeed. Personally, I've thought about the idea of creating my own course, and I decided against it just because of the amount of time it would take. But if I had, I think it would look very, very similar to MMU. For myself, I enjoy teaching. I enjoy sharing my success with others. I enjoy seeing others succeed. They say success is best when shared with others, and I really truly believe that, and I think that Marcelo and RT also share that same mindset. So getting into the course itself, I split it into 3 sections: the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced section. So I'm just going to scroll through here, and you can pause the video if you'd like and see what's in each of these sections. But basically, the beginner content, I'd say, has about 8.5 hours, about 14 hours for the intermediate content, and then 11 hours for the advanced content. And this is not including their weekly lectures that they do with their students or the live archives. And right now I'm going through all of these live archives. As far as the quality of their content goes, I'd say it's a lot like their YouTube videos. It can be a little bit long-winded at times. You can always go through on like 1.5 or 2x if you want, but it is more structured with PowerPoint presentations, real chart examples, real live trading examples, and everything that you need to learn is there. So if you're a beginner, or even you think you're more of an advanced trader, if you don't understand to a T all of the beginner sections, I would highly recommend going through and watching all the videos there, because all of this knowledge is going to build on each other, right? So if you don't know what a candlestick is, you're not going to be able to develop chart patterns. You're not going to understand that section. And if you don't understand chart patterns, you're not going to be able to understand the MMU edges that they teach. I have watched all the videos, and just scrolling up to the beginner sections here, I've watched all these videos, and they really do give you a good understanding of the individual content that they're covering. And, it's pretty crazy how basic some of this stuff gets. I mean, if you are an absolute beginner, you've never traded in the stock market before, this is all the content that you need, really in the order that you need it. You need to understand all these basics of candlesticks, support and resistance, time frames, technical indicators, order types. Everything that you need to get started is here. But again, if you are an intermediate trader, you're an advanced trader, that content is here too. So when you kind of put the basics together, you look at chart patterns and level 2 and risk management. How do I take those steps to actually get profitable? And then finally, those edges. So this is the advanced section right here, the MMU edges, and I think they have about 17 edges. Yeah, about 17 edges. And for each edge, you have about 4 to 5 examples. And the nice thing about these examples is it's from their live trading archives. So you can see exactly how they're managing the trade. You can see where they're getting out, where they're getting in. And a lot of these edges, they're taking multiple stabs. So you're seeing how they manage their risk as well. You're seeing how they take their loss, and then when they hold it for the larger move. And I would argue that the best value within MMU is actually these daily live trading archives, being able to see what a very successful trader does on a day-to-day basis, how he manages risk, how he manages emotions. That is stuff that you just can't teach. You can get it from these videos, and they have sections on it in the course, but until you see how someone reacts on a day-to-day basis, you're not going to get that full picture. So this is hugely helpful. And even for me, someone who's been trading for 3 years, I watch the live trading archives of myself every single night. And then I watch live archives of other traders as well. So at the end of the day, if you want to be the best, you have to study the best, and you have to study like the best. So lastly, with MMU, you're getting mentors who are not inundated by students. They're doing weekly webinars with students to answer any questions that they have. And on occasion, I'll see them go above and beyond with some students, one-on-ones, answering individual questions, stuff like that. Like I said at the beginning, I really do get the sense that they truly care about the success of their students, which cannot be said about some other courses. So as far as costs go, it's about $997 a year. And if you use the promo code that is in the description below, BMAC, then you're going to get $250 off of that payment. So it comes out to be around $747 per year. And if you break that down by month, it's about $62.50. And I would say that's an amazing deal. You know, it took me 3 years to get here, but last month I averaged over $650 a day. Right. And Marcelo and RT, these guys did multiples of that. So again, it's not going to happen overnight, but like anything, this is an investment. A few final comments. I just want to stress that buying a course is not necessary to learn how to trade. Marcelo learned through courses. However, RT and myself did not. The information that you need is out there. You just kind of have to sift through all the BS. For me, I did it the hard way. You know, I sifted through all that BS, but it took a lot longer because I did that. I think my learning curve would have severely been cut down if I would have taken a course. But if you like the structured environment of a course, you like having access to the live trading archives of two very successful traders, then I think MMU would be a great resource for you. That being said, there is no substitution for screen time. Whether you're scouring YouTube or taking a course, it is going to take months, if not years, to become profitable. It is going to be the reps that you put in every day and the studying that you do every night that makes you successful. RT, Marcelo, and myself were all big proponents of risking very small amounts. I'm talking pennies until you establish a successful process. You know, process over profits. If you can develop the process and you can do it with 1 share, then you can do it with 1,000 shares. So I hope this video gave you an honest sense of both the course and where you should take your trading. And wherever that leads you, I truly wish you the best of luck.